Good morning students, this is Vaigris sir. Today I am going to teach you class 5 maths, factors and multiples. Okay, so what is the factor and what is the multiple we will learn here. Then we will solve the examples. First, what is factor? Factor, when a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor of that dividend, and that dividend is called multiple of that number. Okay, so that we understand by example. Suppose that 25 is divided by 5. Okay, then then 5 is called, it means this can be divided by 5. So 5 is called factor and that is called multiple. Means when a number can be divided by any number exactly, okay, not should be remainder, so that number is called the factor of this number. Means 5 is the factor of 25 and 25 is the multiple of 5. Okay, and for this we will understand from the means exercise when we solve that. Now I have taken exercise 17. And here says that write the first 6 multiples of first number 6 and the E number I have taken, that is 25. So it is very simple. You have to multiply that number by 1 first, then by 2, by 3, because we have say 6 multiples by 4, by 5 and by 6. Okay, and multiply, right? 6 3 is 18, 6 4 the. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, same you have to find, you have to multiply first by 1, then 2, and by 3, and by 4, by 5, and by 6, because 6 have been asked. Okay, so 25, 50, and 75, 100, 150, and that is. This is the answer. Okay. Now we solve the next number. Now we solve the second number. Write all the factors of each of the following numbers. Okay. We have to find the factors. Okay. Means factors means you have to find that number by which we can divide 18. Means which table 18 is present. Okay, so you know, first in one table 18 is present. 1 multiply 18. Okay, by 2 also, by 2 9 times 18 also, by 3 you know, 3 6 is 18, and by 4 no, by 5 no, by 6 is also, so 6 3 is 18, 9 2 and 18 1 means you have to write that numbers and also these numbers. Means 1 2 3 6 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. Factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Okay, by 30, now 32, C number. Also you know 32 can be written 1 multiply 32. Okay, also 2 table, it is 2 multiply how much? 16. By 3? No. 3, 4. 4 also. 4 8 are 5 by 5 no, 6 also no, 7 no, 8 again 8 4 ja, and also 16 2 ja and 13 2 ja, means factors are first number 1, then 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, and at last 32. This is the answer. Okay? And the 60 by 60, find the factors of 60. We can write also 1 multiply 60, 60, 2 by 2, 30 times 60. Okay? By 3 also, you know, 3 20 times 60, and by 4 also, by 4 when you divide 4 15 4 ja, okay, that is 60. By 5 also, by 5 how many times, 12 5 ja, 12 5 ja 60. By 6 also, you know, 6 10 ja 60. Now 7 no, 7 no, 8 by 8, you know, by 8 we can't divide also, 8 9 no, then 10, and again this will be repeated. So the factors you have to write all that number and also this number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 10 12 15 20 30 and 60. This is the answer. Now we solve the next. Now we solve the third number question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Any number will be divisible by 2 if the unit digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. The rule I have written here, if unit digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number will be divisible by 2. Okay? So here first number, only you have to check the unit digit. It means ones digit, ones place. Okay? Ones place you have to check. Here 6, you know 6, it makes from our rule. So we have to write that in solution that since unit digit equal to 6, okay, therefore 976 is divisible by 2. Okay, here also write the since the unit digit equal to 3 and it is odd number, not even number, that's why you have to write, therefore 843 is not divisible by 3, by 2. Okay, just like you will solve rest examples. Okay, now we do the next number. Now we learn the divisible by 3. Okay, so you have to check which of the following numbers are divisible by 3. So divisibility by 3, the rule says that if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the given number will be divisible by 3. It means we have to add all the digits. Okay, and if all the digits, the sum of the digits 8 plus 3 plus 7 Okay, it becomes 18. And if this one is divisible by 3, then that number will be divisible by 3. So we know 18 is divisible by 3. And since now and 18 is divisible by 3, therefore 837 is divisible by 3. That much you have to write. Okay, now H number. First you have to find the since. This type of symbol is called since. Okay, 2 above and 1 below. So since the sum of the digits 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7, that is 3 1 4 4 plus 5 9 and 4 13, and 13 plus 7 it becomes 20. Okay, and we know and 20 is not divisible by 3, therefore this symbol is called therefore. Okay, therefore given number is not divisible by 3. This type you have to write all the questions. Okay, so now next day we will solve all the rest questions. Okay, so now homework will be given in written, so stay at home and save life. Till then, good day, goodbye.